Carolyn. I currently work as resolution specialist at Thrive Market. So the holiday recipe that I'm sharing today is Bindaetteok, which is Korean mung bean pancakes. My mother was the one who taught me how to make this dish. The star of the dish is the mung beans. Fun fact, Bindaetteok is naturally gluten-free and it's packed with plant proteins. I like to cut all of the carrot into small pieces like this so that it's kind of like a carrot train. And then zucchini with a red bell pepper and green bell pepper. And last but not least, our scallions. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add it to our bowl. All right, next, shiitake mushrooms. So now we're going to cut the spinach. And then for the mung bean sprouts, just leave them as it is. Now we're going to mince the garlic. Smash, smash, smash. Do you smell the garlic? See you later. So the best thing about making bindaetteok is it's a very versatile dish. Today I'm going to be adding pork, but you're definitely able to make vegan or vegetarian. Then 2 whole eggs. Yeah. We're going to move on to our seasonings. Salt, Thrive Market cane sugar, sesame oil, ground pepper. Can't forget the garlic. Just going to mix it all together. Then you can smell all the seasoning. Next, we're going to put all the mung bean inside this blender. I like to use a ladle. It looks a little watery right now, but don't worry, we're going to mix it all together. So we're gonna get our canola oil. Okay, so while the bindaetteok is finishing up, I'm gonna go ahead and make our dipping sauce. Thrive Market organic soy sauce, our Thrive Market organic white wine vinegar, gochugaru, which is Korean red pepper flakes, Thrive Market sesame seeds. Mix. We make bindaetteok during Lunar New Year or also on special occasions. I'm gonna plate it. Ta-da! Bindaetteok! Completed! It's the perfect dish to eat with family and friends. So with every meal, we always say 잘 먹겠습니다, which means thank you for this meal. I will enjoy it. And I hope that you enjoy this holiday season by making bindaetteok with your family and friends. All right, time to taste. Come on in, come on in.
This is so good.